video, I will show you how you can start and make money with affiliate marketing. Even you are a beginner using the same strategies that made me $4,000. So what you need to start and make money with affiliate marketing? First, you will need a low ticket offer in the front end that will be cost around $7 to $97, and then at the back end you will going to sell recurring and high ticket offers, because these offers will be around like $1,500, $2,000, so that you will make good amount of commission on every single sale, and you will be able to quit your job in the future. Then also you will need a consistent traffic source to generate quality leads. I will also show you the exact products and funnels I am using. You must be wondering how you can actually start doing it. So let me give you an overview of the complete system so that you will get an idea. So this is the complete system that I have been using to generate traffic, leads and commission. It has a three parts: traffic, funnel and conversion. So for traffic, I am using short form content. I post short form videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Basically, what I do, I post videos on one platform, then I repurpose those videos on another platform so that I can make most of those videos. And the email list and Facebook are little bit advanced strategy. But when you are a beginner, just you can focus on creating short form video and driving traffic to your opt-in page. Now, why I am sending traffic to the opt-in page and thank you page first instead of sending traffic to the sales page? That I will tell you in just a minute. First, let me explain you the complete system. I send traffic to the opt-in page first, and on the opt-in page, I give them something for free. It can be free training, ebook, free community, so that I can grab their email, and I am going to build my email list. Then I will send people to the thank you page. On the thank you page, I'll have a short video, and in that video, I'm going to promote the affiliate product, and there will be a button to the sales page. And on the sales page, when people are going to buy the product, I'll make commission. Now the secret is here. So I am building my email list by giving all the people something for free. So once people are in my list, I can follow up with them. I will send series of the emails to sell my product, because if I'll send people to the sales page, the conversion rate will be only 1%. So out of 100 people, only one people will going to buy. But if I follow this system, my conversion rate will going to increase 30 to 40%. So once people in my list, I will send to them different kind of emails. I will share my story with them to build trust. I will educate them. I will answer their queries about the product they have, because very rarely people will going to buy once, like they have seen the product only one time, so it's more likely they're not going to buy it. So I need to send them to the product again and again. I need to answer their question, so that even if they are not ready right now, they will going to buy the product in the future. So I will send them to the sales page. I will send them to the content to build more trust or to educate them. And that's how I will going to increase my conversion rate from just getting 1% to 30 to 40%. Now let me show you my Facebook profile that I have been using to generate quality traffic. So you can see this is my Facebook profile, and I built an audience of 15k followers, 15,000 followers in just less than 30 days by using short form videos, by creating and posting reels. And mainly right now I'm using Facebook short form videos to generate leads, to send traffic to the opt-in page, to the product I am promoting. And I will just going to show you the product I am promoting and the system I have. So you can also start deriving traffic by just creating these short form videos, and these are very easy to create. So don't just think I am getting leads and sales because I have audience of 15,000 followers. When I started absolutely from zero. I have zero followers when I started. but when you post consistently and post good quality content, you will see the progress, you will learn how to create content, you will learn how to generate leads and sales. Even though you don't need a huge audience, I remember when I started on the Instagram, I had hardly 1000 followers, but that time also I used to get 5 to 10 quality leads every day. So don't think like I don't have an audience. Everyone start from the scratch. Just start creating content and improve your content with the every piece, and you will see the progress. You will also able to generate leads for your affiliate business. So once I post these videos on Facebook, I give a call to action to the people for to grab my lead magnet. And I have tried multiple lead magnet, like I have sent, I have give people ebook also and free training also. So let me just show you the product I am promoting right now. So this is my opt-in page, the system that I showed you before. First I send people from Facebook to this page. I'll give them a free guide. I give a call to action in my content that if they want to learn more, I have a free guide that they can download. Or so I give them a free guide, and they once they get this, then I will send them to the thank you page, and then I will send them to the this page. This is the sales page of one of the product I am promoting. So it's a 72-hour challenge by Jonathan Montoya, one of the my mentor. I have learned how to do affiliate marketing business. So it's a $9 challenge. The low ticket offer in the front end that I have told you before. Now, why I have decided to promote this product? Because of the multiple reasons. First, I personally joined this training and I love this training because they actually teaches you all the skills that you need to start your affiliate marketing business. So that is one of the reason. Also, they have complete done for you system. They will give you all the funnels that you just can copy and paste, follow up emails, so that you don't need to spend time on creating that. You can just start focus on promoting the products. Also, they have a system that allow me to promote 15 plus product with using their software. They have a software. I'll just show you the software also. With this software that I'm also promoting, they have complete done for you system. They give you lead magnet that you can actually give to your audience, so that you don't need to spend time on creating a lead magnet. So they will give you a free course that you can give to your audience as a lead magnet, and you can build your email list. Also, you can copy and paste 7-figure automated system. You don't need to build funnels. I don't need to build funnels, write emails, or even I can use YouTube reviews of my mentor. Also, they will allow you to promote multiple products with their done for you email, text, and they already the content they have. So my job is to just send traffic to this product, and they have a complete done for you system where I will be going to make commission of the 15 different products. Also, another best thing is they have a multiple different offers from $9 to $97 to $300 to $2,000. So if someone will going to buy any of these offers, let's say I send people to the 72-hour challenge. Now those people will going to decide to upgrade to the high ticket offer they have, that is $2,000. So I will going to make 40% commission. So that is the best thing I love about that product. So like even I have not invested in the high ticket, but the people who have joined the 72-hour challenge through my link, if they going to upgrade, then I will make the commission from that high ticket product also. You should have a high ticket offers in the back end, because you cannot make so much, you cannot make a decent amount of money by just promoting a $9 product. You then need a large number of sales, and it will be very very hard and difficult for you. Plus they have a sales team. So all the leads I will send to the 72-hour challenge. They will book a call with those people, and they will going to sell those high ticket offers, and any of those people will upgrade, I'll make commission out of that. If you also want this complete done for you system, you want to install this system in your business, I will put the link in the description box to join the challenge. Just to let you know, that will be my affiliate link. When you join the challenge, you will get special bonuses from my side. You will get one-on-one call. You can also join my paid community that will cost $27 per month. But when you join the challenge, you will get that absolutely free. Also, you will get full training on how you can get first 1,000 followers in just 60 days without spending any money on ads on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You can check the description to join the challenge. If you want to know more about the challenge, I have done a full review on the 72-hour challenge. You can check out the video here.